video you're watching now is going to be about different funny videos that I made with my GoPro. Actually, right now I'm taping it on my GoPro. So, yeah. This video you're going to watch first is going to be about me taping the GoPro to Juju's head. He ran around and chased me and things like that. Even was going like that and he bit me. You guys probably think that's very funny. So I hope you guys enjoy. See you. Nope. Still GoPro. Look at this.
No blemish.
Alright. Want me to throw you in the woods this time?